Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Wondershare Filmora video editor app on your Windows 11 PC. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you have to open any web browser. Here I'm going to use Google Chrome browser. Now, you have to search on the search bar Filmora download. Now, open the first page and then you have to choose this download option on the top. Now an installer file is going to be downloaded. Just wait a few seconds. Here you can see that. And now click on the save button. After downloading the installer file, double click on it. Give the permission by pressing yes. And check this box and click on this install button. Now some files are going to be downloaded on your desktop to install the app. Just wait patiently. And here you go. After installing the file, you will see an interface like this. It will test environment first. And then it will open the Wondershare Filmora app. You can create any project and edit your video from here. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.